Unit 7. Meeting a friend. Bob, isn't that Michelle?
Michelle who?
Michelle Lavette. We all went to school together. Here she comes. Hi. Hey, Michelle. Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
It's me, Al. We went to school together.
Right, Al, right. And, oh my God, Bob Whedon! Bob, I haven't seen you in years. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Oh, missed you so much. Wow.
Thank you.
I thought I'd never see you again.
It's some surprise.
Oh, you bet. How's life? Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet.
So you're single then?
Free and single. How about you? Are you working?
Yeah, I have a shop at the mall.
Really? What do you sell?
Well, it's a mobile phone shop, so I sell mobile phones and accessories at the mall.
Hey, Bob and I are going to go see a movie at the mall today.
Interesting. Anyways.
And Bob is going to buy a phone today.
Really? Well, then you can come to my shop.
What's your shop called?
It's called Ring Me.
I know that shop.
Where is it?
It's on the 3rd floor at the mall.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry, but I have to go now. I hope to see you later, Bobby. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Bob, isn't that Michelle? It's me, Al. We went to school together.
Bob, I haven't seen you in years. How are you? Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet. How about you? Are you working?
I have a shop at the mall.